Hey, Mills, man.
Rackle.
What?
Rackle.
What they call you?
Big Goose Belly.
What's your name is, though?
Eddie.
Eddie what?
Rackle. Rackle.
Oh, what you said? What you said to him?
Big dumb shit ass motherfucker. You didn't take your black ass to Orange Park, you candy cat motherfucker.
Hey, go ahead, get out. Thank you, man. About to
Your regular shit face corn neck shitty head ass. Neck on my back head ass. Your little handicap buck piece shitty ass.
Fast steak.
Steak brown hot breast steak your ass white ass.
That big ass hand-me-down ass fell. You shit.
Oh, you wanna talk shit? I got your face talk shit.
Nah, them boys over here clowning, man.
Handicap steak face roll doodle head ass. Eat all ice and shit face head ass.
Come on, man. You whack, man. He whack, man. He killed this shit earlier. Man, go ahead on, man.
You big ass.
What fake ass forces. Take a picture of that boy's Come closer, Racker, man.
Bent up and shit.
Hey, Racker, check it out, Racker, man. What you say? What you say about the forces? Fake it fuck, man.
Oh, that was your mama said last night.
He just in the world, so.
She'll jump on my dick tonight.